a.m. No problem.
I'm usually asleep by that time. I'm not gonna lie.
This meeting more lovely with you. What do you do now?
Oh, you talking about business wise?
Yes. So tell me about your landing phase, about your website. I am waiting for your landing phase.
Yes, I'm actually finished it up. I actually sent it over for a review today,
Yes.
um, and that way I can make sure all. I've got a few adjustments that was noticed in the some of the language and things that make sure all the icons where they need to be. And all this landing page is an opt-in page because I'm starting to get some email addresses and names. And I want to create a list with this opt-in page. So I'm giving away a free ebook to do that, which you can see that I put online on Facebook. So that's the actual ebook. And then, so I'm just making sure everything is pretty much set up.
Yes. So
Yes.
have you finished your lunch?
Lunch.
Lunch. Yes.
Yes. I actually do not eat lunch. Um, Here is the landing page, by the way. I actually drink a protein shake for lunch. So yeah. But if you can you see this as my make sure this is out of the way here.
Is the economy and inflation becoming your boss? Okay.
Yes. Yeah, because in America right now we are in the midst of major inflation,
Yeah. Okay.
but I can't guarantee it right now.
Thank you. Have you any business still now, or is this your first business?
This is my first launch on this. I actually have some clients that are making about $15,000 a month right now.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
So still you have two platform, social media platform, one Facebook group and another Instagram. So you can
Hmm.
start your Facebook page create. If you create Facebook page, then you can reach more people.
Hmm.
So I want to create your Facebook page, then update your logo, then upload your everything, then I can post every week, three post for every week. If I three post for every week, then day by day I will, or we will increase our project or business. What
Now you're talking about creating a page or another group,
I want to create new Facebook page.
a new
Because
page.
yes,
The
because
reason you're talking about
just
under
face
the
Facebook face, not group. Because you
right,
have,
yeah,
yeah, you have
uh,
already Facebook group.
and I've already got a page as well.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. So
Give me link.
to this one,
Just
let's see. Well, here I'll tell you what. Let me show you.
just copy and send my Facebook profile.
Yeah, this page right here is actually that you see is at 21,000, but they're giving tons of value. This
Okay.
page right here, I'm eventually get to because you see the engagement here, 502 comments, 83 likes.
So it is ready on Monday. Totally.
It should. I might be able to send it to you tonight. My time. What time is it there?
Yes.
What time? What time is it there in Bangladesh?
1:33 a.m. night.
Wow! Wow! Oh man, you should be sleeping.
I'll sleep.
Yeah.
I will sleep 2 a.m. No problem.
I'm usually asleep by that time. I'm not gonna lie.
This meeting more lovely with you. I'm
There you
happy.
go.
I'm happy for you for your meeting.
You need to go get some sleep. I didn't realize what time it is. But yeah, I might nighttime my time, and right now it is 3:34 p.m. here, so we are almost 12 hours apart. So I may have the link sent to you tomorrow or tonight. I'm gonna try to get it to you definitely
Yes.
by Monday, at least to go ahead and start putting it out there.
Okay. So now we are working for month 2,250 USD dollar. Okay. Okay, no
So
problem. I may agree with you. No problem, sir. So I will do very hard work for you increase
okay.
your company. Okay.
Right.
So thank you. Thanks for share with me and give. Thanks for give your best time. I'm
Hmm.
happy with you. So I want to live now and sleep now.
Yes, go to sleep. Before you leave, what is your Celsius temperature there?
Yes.
You're ready to go to bed.
Yes.
uh,
But you are very friendly.
yes, it is 32 degrees Celsius here.
Or degree Celsius. Okay. I'm checking. 27 degrees Celsius.
And that's at night. Wow. We are actually in the middle of the day here, and that's our temperature. So I couldn't imagine what it's like over there during the peak of the day. So very cool. All right, well,
That's
go.
nice.
Yes, sir.
Your smile very very nice. Just wow.
Right. Go get you some sleep. I appreciate your time.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Have a good night.
Okay. Good night.
Bye.
Have a good day.